How to set up a customized Salesforce recycling bin using CopyStorm Archive. CopyStorm includes a pre-configured archival policy called the default recycle bin. Today's challenge is to customize the default policy in order to match Acme's data retention needs. Acme needs to archive all Salesforce records, excluding those records in history, and change event tables. By default, all deleted records need to be retained for a 90-day period with a few specific exceptions. The compliance department requires all email messages to be retained for 2 years. Management would like to store key customer data for 1 year. This includes accounts, contacts, and cases. With these requirements, the archive policy can be set up in a few clicks. Naturally, the Archive tab in CopyStorm is the launching point, and the default recycle bin policy will be edited to match Acme's needs. History and change event tables are excluded from the archive, leaving all other tables to be archived upon Salesforce record deletion. The default record retention length is 90 days, so this parameter is set before creating the special scenario retention rules. The Advanced menu provides a way to override the default retention policy with specific retention rules. Several tables should be kept for a year, so the table names are entered. Let's set the retention days to be 680, then select the email object manually. Once changes are saved, the final step is to activate the policy. The default recycle bin archival policy will run each time that CopyStorm performs a Salesforce backup and will automatically archive each deleted record's data and structure. Explore tutorials and additional information about CopyStorm Archive on learn.capstorm.com.